I don't know about you, but one of the first things that comes to mind when I hear the words Paris and France are the pastries. All over the world, there are talks of the famous croissants or baguettes, and boulangeries here appear on every corner. But they can be kind of intimidating when you don't know what or how to order. The Atelier de Français chatgpt tool, French language tutor, can help with that. Just ask, how do I order a baguette, or a croissant, or an eclair in French?
To order a baguette in French, here's a simple and polite way to do it, especially at the A1 level of the CEFRs referenced in your documents.
You can also ask information about the pastries in the shop. Just type in, what is an eclair?
An eclair is a classic French pastry.
Getting around a new place can be difficult, especially in a new country. But the chatgpt function from the Atelier de Français can help you navigate France. For example, if you want to take the metro but you don't know directions, you can ask the Atelier de Français chatgpt tool to help. What are some basic directions in French?
Here are some basic directions in French that are useful in everyday communication, especially when asking for or giving directions in a city.
Something I personally struggle with when learning French is pronunciation. French can be difficult, especially when a lot of words don't make sense phonetically. There are many words in French that don't make much sense in English, but with the French language tutor, we can figure out how to pronounce it. Hey, how do you pronounce egg in French?
The French word for egg is œuf. Here is how you pronounce it.
Sometimes when you're out and about in Paris, you'll find moments where you aren't quite sure what to do. Maybe you spent the day at the Louvre and want to find a place for dinner. Or maybe you spent the day walking around the Arc de Triomphe and want to find an activity nearby. The Atelier de Français chatgpt function, French language tutor, can help. Hey, what are some activities by the Arc de Triomphe?
Here are some top suggestions for activities around the Arc de Triomphe.
I've gone to a few monuments here in Paris, and I'm never sure what the history is behind each one. I found that the chatgpt function from the Atelier de Français can help with that. When visiting the Arc de Triomphe, I just pulled out my phone and asked, hey chatgpt, what's the history behind the Arc de Triomphe?
The Arc de Triomphe, one of Paris's most iconic landmarks, has a rich and dramatic history.
In short, the French language workshop chatgpt function from the Atelier de Français has helped me exponentially during my time here in France. I've been able to develop my French skills while navigating living in a new country. I bet it could help you too. Contact the Atelier de Français for more information. Thank you for watching.